Ready to elevate your digital career path? Infinite 360 presents an exclusive 2-week Adobe Experience Platform Bootcamp program. Transform into a certified Adobe expert. This program dives into real-time CDP, Adobe Journey Optimizer, and customer journey analytics. Our bootcamp offers an unparalleled learning experience for all participants. Gain insights directly from Adobe certified experts and tackle real-world projects. Build practical, in-demand skills in customer data management and journey orchestration. The comprehensive program includes 108 hours of guided labs and live projects, providing invaluable practical application for you. Plus, you'll receive access to the Adobe platform, allowing you to practice and master these powerful tools. This ensures you're fully equipped for success. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. The next batch starts very soon, and you can enroll now for just 26,130 rupees and 31 paise. Register now by calling